Who loves sticky notes, drawing tools, and lasers? I know I do. Today, we're using Jamboard in class, and I'm showing you how to use a few interactive tools. If your teacher asks you to draw something, you can click on this icon right here, the pen. So you can have this pen right here, the marker, the highlighter, or the brush. So if you click on that, you can change colors. If you click on it again, you can show the highlight part. Click on it again and show the marker. If you need to delete anything, just click undo. You can also use the eraser. If you need to move an item, click select, and then you are able to move the item. If you need to add a sticky note, you'll click sticky note, type your response, and don't forget to add your name. Click save. And you can add as many sticky notes as you choose, or you can press cancel. You can also add an image by clicking this icon right here. You can upload an image, and you can even go to Google Image Search. So click right there, and then you can type in the image that you're searching for, such as a cat. And here are the images right here. If you would like to add an animated image of a cat, enter .gif, press search, and then click on any of these cute images. We'll click on this one right here. What a cute little kitty. You can also add shapes. So for example, it says circle right there. You can add a circle, and you can change the color of the circle. You can change the border color, and you can even change it to other shapes as well. So for example, click right there. Here's a square, and let's see the others. There's a triangle, diamond, and bar, arrow, half circle, and rounded rectangle. You can also add text by clicking this icon right here, entering your text, and you can even change the text color. So for example, click right there, change it to red. You can change the size like this. You can also change the size this way. You can center the text or move it to the right. And the last option you can use is the laser. So I'm sure all of us will have fun with this laser option. This actually is a great tool if you are presenting something to the class and you want to highlight a certain text or maybe a certain image. I hope you have fun using Jamboard with your teacher and your peers.